Hi everyone, I'm Jane Trotter and welcome to Accelerando Piano. Do you want to gain insight and develop strategies for how to improve the way you learn and practice your pieces? Take a look at me introducing a new piece to a student and check out the systematic, practical and step-by-step methods we use to work through the piece. Alrighty.
What are we doing? Microstones or a thought?
We're doing a thought.
Okay.
A thought.
A thought.
Yep.
Okay. Yep.
Cool. It's by Christopher Norton and it's a neat wee jazzy one.
Right,
so
okay.
we're going to check out your rhythm first, just in your left hand. We'll do that separately through. So let's go for that. So how are you going to count it? You're going to count in crotchets or quavers, do you reckon?
Probably quavers.
Quavers, yeah, I would.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
And two and three
And two and three and four and one and two and three and four
Good. Keep going. That's the next one.
and
Two.
and three.
Almost. So
One
one
and
and
one
and two and three and four.
and one and two and three and four.
Good. Your rhythm was absolutely right. You just want to sneak down there to your fourth finger for your G.
Oh, so
If it's easier, don't worry about getting all the notes. Just play the rhythm.
no, that's all right.
That's all right.
No, I can handle
Cool.
that. I thought I had done it, but obviously missed it. Okay, so it's one
and two
and
and three and four. Four
and
and one
one
and two and three and four and one and two and three and four and one and two and three and four and. Very good. Now your thumb's going to go on your F.
So hang on a second, this fourth finger there, right?
Fourth finger there.
So this fourth finger
Yep.
on G.
G. Yep.
Just there.
So your thumb will turn under for that one.
Oh, I see.
Yep. Now that has exactly the same rhythm as the
As
first
above,
bit
right.
up there. Yep.
So it's one and
So
two
that.
and three and four and one and two and three and four and
Very good.
one and
Two
two and
three and
that's
three-
those are
there's three-
twos, aren't they? Yeah.
3 beat note plus
Yeah, okay, so that's all-
yes
that's-
plus your dot. Yep.
So that's actually one and two and three, isn't it? So that's one
and
and
two
two and three.
and let's check out your right hand by itself.
Okay, so that's fourth finger on G. Yeah.
That one.
Down
Cool.
there. So it's one and two and three and four and one and two. Oh, this is going to be interesting.
Hang on. Check that one.
Oh, you've got to kind of hold over.
Hold
right?
it. And yeah, it's
Yeah.
tied. So
Oh, so one and two
two and three and four and one and yeah.
Oh, so,
So-
is it the same note? Oh, this is the same note.
So that's tied through. That'll give you 6 crotchet beats
Yeah.
altogether.
That's right. So I thought I had to play with. I thought I'd gone up a thing, but it hasn't. No, it's the same note.
It will there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so that makes sense.
And actually, just while we're looking at that pattern,
Yeah.
great, cool, because we've got that skip between the G and the E. So 5, 4, 2, 1. Cool. Very
And
good.
hold that back
And
out. 1,
that's
2,
tied
3,
across.
4. 1, 2, 3.
And then same note. So you're starting that pattern on the one you've just been on.
I've got musical dyslexia today. Right. So it's is that? So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
Good. Let's just do that much once more. And in fact, I'm going to come around and throw the left hand in. I'll play with my right hand, but that's okay. Alrighty, so 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and you were just fractionally early in there.
all right, okay, yeah, all right.
Let's go back to the start. So 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. Very good. Cool. Okay. Let's check out the next line.
Okay. So if I've got fourth finger on G, so it's there.
Yeah, I would go.
Okay.
I would go right down to the thumb.
Yeah.
That one.
So go.
And just actually looking ahead, where are you heading to for?
Well, into the A.
Very good. Yep.
So actually, that would be little finger, really, wouldn't it?
That's right. Yep. And then it just goes down a step. Cool. Now the other thing to watch is that your C underneath is tied through. So you're going to have to sit on that one.
Some of those in that shadows one as well, which is really annoying.
Yeah, that C stays put.
Yeah. Okay, so we're doing 1 and 2 and 3 and
4.
Oh, no, I took my thumb off. Hang on. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and.
You're a bit early. 3 and
1
is the rest.
2 and 3 and
4 and 1 and 1.
Oh,
yeah, and so there.
We're going to lift that top finger, but not the bottom one.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh no, hang on a minute. That's held as well.
And then that's held as well.
Oh, okay, that's all right.
So
that makes it easier.
You got 5, 4, and then you just sit on those guys.
Right, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and
4 and
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
cool.
1. Oh, hang on, I'm not going to move this third finger.
And you do. You want your third finger on that one. That's right. Yep. Down a skip, and then down another skip. Good.
Right.
And that stays tight.
Okay. So I'm going to have to obviously move my hand off that note to move the fingers down.
You have to shift there.
Yeah, so it's a shift.
Let's do that one more time.
So it's starting there, and it's going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4
and cool.
So it's 1 and so it's, that's 4. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
No, your fourth finger holds.
1.
Good. And your second finger changes to your thumb. That's right.
Yeah, that's what I've done. Yeah.
Yep.
1 and 2 and 3
Good.
and 4. Yep.
Let's just try that one more time. So 2 for your A.
So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4
and hold the top one.
1. Oh, hang on, and let the other one go.
Yes.
Like that.
Yep. Very good.
And it's 1 and 5, it says. So I've got to move.
Yep. You got to.
So I've got to do that.
You got to do that. Good.
Right.
So there's a bit of shifting around that
Yeah.
last line there.
Okay.
But yeah, a lot of the notes are the same. So you've finished on the C in that second bar, start on the C, with a different finger, and then that chord is also C on top, again, just with a different finger.
Yep.
So you can sort of reference it that way. And if you think about it too, actually, if you check out that A, that G, that F, that E, they are all going down by step.
Right.
So that's another
So
useful.
my left hand, actually.
And your left hand
Oh,
pretty much is
yeah.
as well. Yeah.
So in my right hand, I was thinking though that there's still a fingering change there, isn't it? But I presume after this one here, it just stays 1. So it's second finger on A.
Yep.
Then it's first finger on that.
That's right.
And then it's
And
that.
then it's 1, and then
it's
one
that.
down there.
Yeah,
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Yep.
That's
Okay.
right.
Alrighty.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is just using one note, so you don't have to worry about getting all the notes right. So we can do...
My left hand or right hand?
Oh, we're going to do both.
Okay.
Literally just like that.
All right.
And we're going to go just basically tapping out the rhythm of the first line. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and etc. etc.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
1
and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Oh, I have that done.
Yep.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
Good. So let's break it down into 2 bars and we'll put the notes in for your first 2 bars.
Okay, so it's first one on C.
Yep.
Fourth one on G.
Yep.
So
In fact, just try that little pattern in the second bar, just to remind yourself what that does. Cool. Okay.
So it's right. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
Okay, let's head back to those first 2 bars on the second line. I might go back to
1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 1 and 2.
yeah. I'll put 1
and 2. Oh,
and
and
yep.
3 and 4 and.
Good. And remember, you just want to be keeping hold of your right hand thumb.
Oh, right. I think
the
it's a
bottom.
bit off. Yeah. Okay. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
Good. And then just go down a step.
Yeah, worried about the top one though.
Nothing happens.
Nothing.
Yeah.
1 and
2
2 and 3 and 4 and.
Very good. Cool. Great. Okay. Now, did that out of order because we're going to scoot down to the last line, and that will have the same rhythm and coordination.
Okay,
So let's just do your right hand first. And 2 and 3 and 4 and.
Right. Is this, have I done this piece before? Have I done this section?
Yeah, we did right hand. That's one.
Right.
So you're holding there.
This is 1 and 2 and 3.
So keep
and
that down while you do
4
those guys,
and
and then keep 4 down while you put your thumb.
1 and
That's it.
2. Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Cool.
Right.
Okay. Let's add your left hand.
Right. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
And when you put your thumb down, the left hand second finger's going to go
1
down. And
2. I didn't get that transition right there.
that's okay. That'll
Yeah.
yeah. That little bit there is
Yeah.
gonna be the tricky bit.
Right.
Tell you what, when you do that,
Yeah.
just don't worry about necessarily getting the rhythm. Just practice straight out coordination. So you could play 2,
So it's 2,
5,
4.
swap to 1, and
it's
keep
almost
4
done.
down. Yeah. So 2, 5. Yep.
This is hard.
Yeah, that bit is
Getting my
hard.
fingers working.
Yep.
So 2.
Yep.
And it's that one.
That's right.
That one.
That
That
one.
one. That one.
And then that one holding that one. Yep. Take it real slow. Forget about the rhythm. just work on that finger
That.
sort of drill.
That.
Yep. So what I'd do is like we did through, I'd do separate hands through first, line by line.
Yep.
Then you can tap your rhythm for the coordination, although it's not too bad, but just,
Yep.
you know,
Okay,
with the
yep.
notes in anyway, but just to solidify your rhythmic coordination in there.
Yep.
Then I would do little chunks, like maybe 2 bars at a time,
Yep.
of just sussing out hands together and what it's doing through
works
there.
well.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's right. I hope you found that helpful and keen to explore some strategies and techniques which you may not have tried before. This video is part of a series of tutorials I've produced on practicing. I want to give students a framework for developing reliable and successful practice habits so learning pieces becomes faster, less stressful and more enjoyable. So please take a look at Practising Like This, where I talk about the importance of fostering a positive and forgiving attitude towards practice and being able to laugh and smile if things go wrong. My other tutorial, Practice Tips That Work, is precisely that. A comprehensive overview and guide on how to get the most out of your practicing. There's a download available for this, which you can get from my Accelerando Piano website. I've included the link of both of these tutorials and the Practice Tips That Work document in the description below.